Hey, are you looking for a beginner guitar, but you're not sure if a beginner guitar is good or not? Well, you're in the right place, because I'm going to give you 5 tips so that you'll know what to look for and find out if the guitar is any good or not. And that's coming up. So tip number 1 is you want a guitar that's easy and comfortable to play. So like this right here, this Jasmine, it's got the dreadnought body. It's a big body. It feels good in your hands. It's not too big. Then that should work for you. Tip number 2 is, how does it sound when you're playing it? See, with the dreadnought body, it's such a big body that it's got a warm tone to it, and it's loud because the body's so big. Let's see what it sounds like. As you can tell, it's got a warm sound and a big sound, and that's due to the dreadnought body. And the dreadnoughts were made famous by Martin. They were the ones that invented the dreadnought body. And the third tip is it comfortable to play? It's comfortable sitting on your lap, but you want this to be, the neck to be thin so you can play the chords easily, and you want it to be smooth. This Jasmine guitar, it's got a thin neck. The fretboard is rosewood, so it's a warm sounding wood, and the neck is thin, so it's easy to play. Stick around, I've got 2 more tips, but first, if you're getting any value out of this video, can you click the like button, consider subscribing, and click that bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And for the next tip, you want a guitar that has chrome tuners and a truss rod that goes through the neck of the guitar, so it'll keep it in tune and keep it sounding great. Question of the day: what do you consider a good price for a starter guitar? Leave me a comment, I'd love to hear from you. This Jasmine comes in at less than $200. And to me, that's a great price for this guitar. It sounds good, easy to play. It's just a good guitar. Now, tip number 5. Good guitar that has a great sound to it. It's got a thin neck. It's easy to play. Feels good on your lap. And it comes in at less than $200. That should answer the question, are beginner guitars good? This one is. And I'll leave a link in the description below so you can get more information on it if you're interested in it. And be sure to watch the next video on the best beginner guitar.